If you're chasing financial freedom, it's time to shift from active income to strategic cash flow. Passive income is one of the best wealth secrets. Do you want to make your own wealth creation machine? With the right design, that's passive income for you. Set it up once, monitor it, and earn consistently over a period of time. Ever wonder why the richest 1% sleep easy while 99% chase paychecks? They engineer non-stop cash flow through passive income streams that compound their wealth. It works on autopilot month after month, year after year. And no, it's not magic, it's strategic math. But hey, it sounds too good to be true, right? Consider the Retire by 40 blog, which posted $76,523 in passive revenue in 2024, enough to cover a full year's living costs without a 9-to-5 job. Pat Flynn's smart passive income site routinely reveals how you can make $100,000 to $200,000 per month with fully automated systems. Passive income demands upfront efforts and time. It isn't free money, but a deliberate engine you must build before it runs itself. More of that later in the video. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scam. It's a get-rich-smart system. The sooner you understand, the better. By reinvesting profits, diversifying across streams, and letting compounding work its magic, the top 1% of wealthy turn these vehicles into self-sustaining money-making machines. If you are here till now, you are already making an effort to make a change. Stick around because you will get to discover, even with limited capital, which passive income options are better suited for you. The focus should be to engineer the power of recurring earnings like the 1% Elite Club. If your brain craves for more money mindset, hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Action time. Figure out what avenue is best for you. Millionaires use these sources to fuel non-stop cash flow and swear by them. Don't fall for gimmicks. At the end of this section, I will tell you what you should be aware before venturing into your first passive income stream. Don't skip that, as it could make or break your system. Build your earnings on expertise or passion. Your intrinsic motivation will keep you pushing through the setup phase and reduce the learning curve. AI-generated content can vary from music and images to in-depth reports. But did you know you can use AI for generating recurring income for yourself? Leading platforms and publishers now pay creators per minute, per download, or via subscription, enabling thousands of users to purchase digital art, background scores, and tailored AI-generated reports. Shutterstock reported $104 million in AI content licensing in 2024, set to rise to $250 million by 2027, even as traditional photo revenue declines. Overall, AI tech spending will reach $244 billion in 2025, with generative AI growing at nearly 50% compound annual growth rate, fueling demand for licensed outputs across industries. Niche product research reports, from stock market trends to consumer behavior analyses, can be sold to thousands of subscribers, each report commanding anywhere from $50 to $500. Business model is simple: create high-value assets, secure IP and licensing rights, distribute via platforms, automate and reinvest. What about the pros and cons? Advantages include scalable royalties, recurring revenue, and diversification across multiple assets. Cons to keep in mind: requires upfront investment, constant quality control, and navigating evolving copyright laws. Faceless channels publish content, animations, screen recordings, stock footage, or narrated slides without showing the creator's face, allowing full anonymity and focus on the message rather than the messenger. Searches for faceless YouTube channel ideas have jumped 256% in 2 years, reflecting growing creator interest. Create evergreen content that does wonders for your channel. Topics can be from any genre: motivation, tech, top 10 lists, sports, etc. This works. This also works. These also. As you can see, over a period of time, they gain subscribers and revenue from ads, Patreon, and other avenues. Revenues range from $50,000 to near $1 million, depending on the type of audience you cater to. These rely on reusable templates, voiceovers, and help to scale output rapidly. It boosts discoverability and repeat viewership in algorithmic feeds. But there are some pitfalls you should be aware about. High failure rate. Despite the allure, 90% of faceless YouTube channels fail to find an audience. often due to poor production quality or huge competition. Skills. Success hinges on different skill sets like scripting, editing tools, and marketing, not easy one-click publishing. SEO and algorithm dependence. Winning thumbnails, titles, and metadata are essential. Finding value? Drop a like to inspire more such content. Imagine someone pays you a percentage of every sale you drive to a merchant. No product creation, no customer support, just connect buyers and sellers for profit. No product expertise also needed. That is affiliate marketing for you. A popular Amazon affiliate, This Is Why I'm Broke, earns $20,000 plus per month, fueled by 2.8 million monthly visitors. U.S. affiliate marketing spend has jumped significantly from 2020 to 2025. Here is how the top 1% leverage affiliate marketing. Scalable content. One in-depth blog post or video can earn commissions for years, compounding earnings into ongoing revenue. Diverse channels. Affiliates use blogs, email lists, social media, and niche sites, letting them tap multiple audiences with customized pitches. Low up costs. No need for inventory or customer service. Just zero in on high-converting products and quality content. Some caveats you should keep in mind. SEO neglect. Without consistent traffic via search, commissions dry up. Invest in keywords and evergreen content. Program overload. Joining too many affiliate programs can dilute focus. Huge competition. The market is saturated with top-level affiliates as it has been there since early 2000, so entry barrier is more. Whatever path you choose, there is an important section at the end of this video. Understand those insights that can very well be the difference between a successful one and a failed one. Digital products are intangible goods, ebooks, templates, planners, delivered electronically with no physical inventory. They range from printable meal planners to digital software. Etsy planners. Ama Rose designs earned $95,000 revenue in 2021, often making $5,000 to $8,000 per month, from digital planners priced $4 to $43 each. Gumroad Market. Expected to hit $1 billion by 2028, with active Gumroad buyers hungry for digital downloads. Amazon KDP. Authors earn from $150 to $20,000 plus per month, with many pocketing $100,000 plus annually in Kindle Unlimited payouts. What gives digital products an edge? Scalability. Create once, sell to thousands without restocking. Low cost. Most digital products don't require upfront costs. High margins. Software, templates, and reports often yield 70 to 90% profit margins after platform fees. Global reach. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Amazon open access to millions of buyers worldwide. Recurring upsells, bundles, memberships, and premium software keep customers buying repeatedly, compounding revenue. Some drawbacks include skill set. Quality content demands time, design skills, and research before any sales. Platform competition. Marketplaces are crowded. Be mindful about SEO, compelling graphics, and niche positioning. Stock market cash flow, from dividends, mutual funds, and ETFs, has ballooned into a multi-trillion-dollar engine. This is one of the favorite avenues the wealthy are attracted to. It's a compounding machine. Payouts are reinvested into new shares or funds, triggering a snowball effect where income generates more income without additional work. It requires due diligence and extreme discipline, but it also carries a huge risk-to-reward ratio where you can earn millions. Warren Buffett and Mukesh Ambani earns millions of dollars from Coca-Cola and Reliance shares respectively as dividends only. Here, starting early matters. Compounding effect is your friend. A part of your income invested wisely would significantly boost your earnings. Some pitfalls to keep in mind: high capital requirement. Meaningful cash flow often demands hundreds of thousands in upfront investment. Market volatility. Dividend cuts or fund redemptions during downturns can interrupt cash flow. Fees and taxes, expense ratios, broker commissions, and dividend taxes can erode net returns. Real estate rental income has long been a cornerstone of wealth accumulation, offering a steady cash flow that can build generational wealth. This income stream is particularly attractive because it can provide consistent monthly earnings, often adjusted for inflation, and potential property appreciation over time. Have you heard of house hacking power play? People don't just buy rentals, they live in them. By renting out spare bedrooms, Ila Corcoran pulled in $110,000 over 4 years, enough to finance a second property before turning 26. Advantages of rental income. Steady cash flow can be particularly beneficial during retirement or economic downturns. Appreciation. Potential. Properties can increase in value over time, offering capital gains upon sale. Tax benefits. Investors can avail of various tax deductions related to property maintenance, mortgage interest, and depreciation. There are some risks also. Initial investment requires substantial upfront capital for property purchase and potential renovations. Market fluctuations. Property values and rental demand can be influenced by economic conditions. Property management, including maintenance and tenant relations, is a headache. A word of caution here. Can you tell what is the most important key to passive income? Go into it with your eyes open. Chasing sky-high yields without due diligence is like skydiving without a parachute, thrilling until you hit the ground. Do things that you are passionate about or have expertise on. The learning curve will be significantly reduced. Also keep in mind it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Most set-and-forget schemes start with sleepless nights of research and upfront investment. Knowing its pitfalls will help you to avoid falling and fast-track your wealth-building journey. Nothing is more appealing than making money without making efforts or in your sleep, but that's not true, so choose wisely. Setup takes pre-planning and efforts, but in the longer run it runs on automation and gives income regularly. Plus, to be successful, it will need constant monitoring and timely efforts. The action takers become market leaders. So leveraging the cash flow machine require you to start as early as possible. Start early, stay passionate, and that initial grind becomes a snowball that grows into unstoppable cash flow. If that lit a spark, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm you're serious about building real wealth, and don't stop here. The next video also helps mastering your money mindset. Check that out.